What if I told you your rusty bike chain could go from this to this without using an acid? Well, you can. Anyone can, using Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath Concentrate Mix. Metal Rescue is safe on everything except for rust. It's safe on paint, plastic, rubber, and skin. Let's get started. Grab a plastic tub. Quick tip, Metal Rescue is temperature sensitive. It works best at 68 degrees or above. It's also eco-friendly and biodegradable. Oh yeah, no acids here. Now for the fun part, mix the concentrate. You will add 1 gallon with the entire 14-ounce bottle of Metal Rescue. Remember, 1 gallon. No more, no less. Yeah, safe on skin. All right, now let's get rid of that rust. Step 1, soak it. Soak times will depend on the amount of rust on your part. Step 2, check it. If the rust isn't gone, let it soak for longer. When it's removed, move on to step 3. Okay, rust is gone. Now it's time for the big reveal. Done and done. Wow, that looks awesome. Oh, quick tip. Metal Rescue, it's not one and done. It's reusable. Slap a lid on this and save it for later for the next project. 1 gallon of Metal Rescue will remove up to ½ a pound of rust. I know, that's a lot of rust. All right, step 3. Now it's ready for the next step. Keep in mind that after the rust is gone, you are left with a clean bare metal surface, which will need to be treated. We're going to hit this with some of our dry Coat Rust Preventative spray, which when applied, dries to the touch. Yep, no sticky mess. It'll protect your part for up to a year in indoor storage. Check it out. Look at this before and after. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Look at this thing. It was so rusted and seized. Keep watching. And now, loosey-goosey. Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath Concentrate. Pick a jug up at your local AutoZone. Or we sell it with water at Home Depot and Canadian Tire in a ready-to-use gallon size. For those parts that can't be soaked, paint it on with a Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel. Available now at HomeDepot.com. Thanks for watching.